Welcome back. In other news, conservation tourism is fast becoming a new trend in global tourism industry as more countries embrace sustainable practices. Great Plains Conservation, which operates in Kenya, Botswana and Zimbabwe, says players in the industry need to reinvest back into local communities to enhance ecotourism. The company, through Great Plains Foundation, has rolled out a plan to feed more than 8,000 pupils in 29 primary schools in Kajiado County.
Kenya is leading the way in sustainable tourism through various policy measures. So far, the government has banned plastic bags and other single-use plastics in the country's parks, forests and lodges. The country has also developed a national tourism strategy that seeks to streamline ecotourism. This has gone a long way in entrenching sustainable practices in the country's tourism industry. The Great Plains Conservation, which operates in the counties of Kajiado and Narok, says community involvement is critical in driving sustainable practices in Kenya's fledgling tourism industry. The company has embraced a zero-waste policy, recycling papers and cardboard to make briquettes to fuel it or to water systems instead of cutting down trees for fuel. Great Plans, through its foundation, has rolled out a plan to feed more than 80,000 pupils in 29 primary schools in Kajiado County.
From last year, the number of children going to school has been decreasing. But since the intervention of Great Plains and other partners from last year, there has been a retention of school children in all the schools in Birkani Group. For last year, over 8,000 pupils were retained in school in all the schools, the 22 schools that are in Birkani Group Ranch.
Now the rain which came over December, it was very short. It never made even the vegetation grow for the animals. So all schools around here, this region, they have got a problem with the food. So retention of learners in school, it has become very difficult.
Kinyaku Olikone, Great Plains Community Liaison Officer, says the school feed program is aimed at supporting local communities by ensuring a well-balanced diet for learners in the drought-stricken counties of Kajiado and Narok.
The mission of the foundation is to make the best practice of world-class conservation with the long-term commitment of environment, wildlife, and local communities surrounding our catchment areas.
Andrew Kero for Lunchtime News.